Judah back with all things purple back with another video, and today, why is that? Today we're going to be getting the Supermode inside Rails Unlimited. Now this is a pretty easy thing, so what you gotta do is go into Rails Unlimited. This is compatible with the computer, or tablet, or phone, whatever. So first you gotta click into servers. Then you can already see that my other server that I did in the other video is now expired. I have to get a new one. And you gotta make a private server. Now this is only, you gotta pay 50 Robux. I'm sorry, it's not free. Okay, let's just get over. If you have Robux and you pay for this, it's okay. So what you gotta do is you gotta wait now. Gotta wait for the Rails Unlimited to load in your private server. I mean, you can name it anything you want, because it's your private server. Then when Rails Unlimited is fully loaded, and in the bottom right corner it says click here for commands. And this is where the magic happens. This allows you to get super mode. So when this menu's done, first you're gonna have to click on this, and it just disappeared. And as you can see, I'm a robot. I got a huge update in my avatar, but whatever. So this is what happens. Spawn any train that you want. I'm going to spawn this one, since I bought the Game Pass for Unstoppable, since that's a pretty cool movie. Okay, now what you do, go into chat, and first type in, do not use the colon, won't work with the colon. You press this key right next to it, and then type in super mode. Then once you press enter, this will come up, and if you want to change the speed, you press max speed. Press 1000, because that's the minute. The power, I'm going to put that to 100. And brake, well, we obviously need a good brake, so yeah. Okay, now update this, and then when it says process selected, you are going to be going super fast, like this. And as you can see, we're already speeding up. Oh yeah, look at this, we're already at 100. So yeah, this is the tutorial on how to get super mode inside of Rails Unlimited. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Okay, I guess I'm going to the hospital. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.